So if you've had a bad experience on a construction project before, we'd like to share some tips that will help you avoid that experience on the next one. I'm Justin Branham. I'm the president of Branco Enterprises.
And I'm Sean Tuvino, vice president of Branco Enterprises.
The moment that you decide that you're going to build a building, bring your contractor on board, along with the other stakeholders, your designers and your staff that's going to build that project. And let's have an open and honest pre-construction services dialogue about your new project. Certain things need to be a part of that, such as...
You're going to want to talk what kind of building the owner wants, what their end use of the building is, what are they trying to accomplish, are they going to allow for future expansion, is this a one and done, or are they going to build, if they have a piece of property they could build another piece on. There's just several things that the owner needs to bring to that meeting. The three people at the meeting are the most important people on the project, which is the owner, the end user, the contractor, and the architect. It's kind of like a three-legged stool. You can't balance the job. When you jerk the leg out from one or the other, something's going to fall over.
And as part of our pre-construction services, we also have to have some very frank discussion about the risks that are involved. Depending on where your site may be, there may be some unsuitable soils associated with that site that may make a different site seem more attractive after you get down to the details of that. You also have to look at things on renovations like hazardous materials that may be in that building existing. You need to know your municipalities and other code requirements that municipality may require you to initiate. Some places that have certain zoning requirements are going to require screens in front of your HVAC units if they're on the roof. That can be a surprise if you don't know those things up front. So as part of our pre-construction services, we want to have a very open, honest dialogue about what the expectations are and the potential pitfalls moving forward. The moment you decide to build a project, get your contractor involved early so we can perform pre-construction services in conjunction with your architect and the other stakeholders. Be prepared to have an open and honest dialogue about your expectations, about your ultimate goals and the risks that you may encounter through that project. Bringing those three parties together, it fosters an environment of teamwork and creates a much better process and ultimately can ensure that your goals are met at the end of the day.